came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Let me get in Anand Ranganathan. Anand Ranganathan, what do you make of these statements? 1 minute. Digvijay Singh tweets, and what does he said? आजकल BLO चुनाव आयोग के नियमों और आदेशों के आधार पर नहीं, पर बीजेपी के आधार पर कर रहे हैं। इनको घेराई कर लो, घेराई बंद कर लो और इनके खिलाफ धरना प्रदर्शन कर लो. Now this is not a threat. Then Abhishek Banerjee, 29th of October says, confront and tie up local BJP leaders if they ask for your parents' birth certificates during the special intensive revision. This is also not a threat. And of course, Mahua Moitra to roz subah sweet nothings likhti hain social media pe.
Navika ji, for everything you asking.
Navika, Tasif bhai, look, I've been waiting very patiently for 25 minutes and I heard you. Please give me, thank you. No problem at all. No. Look, in fact, I'm coming to you first up because good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Very quickly, 3 points. Out of which I accept Sanjay has made 2 very good points with which I agree, but I'll add to that. But point number 1, when Tausif Bhai says, give me one instance, Navika, where Mamata has sided with the Rohingyas. Let me give you 3 instances. In 2017, when Prime Minister decided to throw out the illegal Rohingyas, and there was a huge protest in Bengal by Bengali Muslims to not do that, that was when Mamata actually said, innocents will suffer. We are for the rights of Rohingyas, and even though India is not a signatory to the Refugee Commission, Mamata began distributing UNHCR identity cards to Rohingyas. Will Tausif apologize now for spreading fake news?
No, I've watched nothing to apologize.
Did she distribute I-cards? Did she distribute I-cards? Yes or no?
There has
yes
to be
or no?
explanation. I'm ready to give you explanations.
Give me the explanation.
Different case. But you tell me during the time of SIR, what are you doing?
Were I-cards distributed or not? Were I-cards distributed to Rohingyas or not?
Interrupt you. You complete your statement. I will answer you. You complete your
statement. Anyway,
Navika,
I just wanted to expose him. Now, can I come to the second
I'll
point? No, please, my time is very limited. Now, number 2, I have to make 2 more points. Number 2, Sanjay makes an excellent point that yes, mistakes were done by the Congress. Why should BJP repeat the mistake? Fair enough. But I would have liked him to have also added, Sanjay, yes, I do not agree with the current procedure through which the CEC is appointed. But you should have also mentioned how CECs were appointed before 2014. It was on the whims and fancies of the Prime Minister of the day. In fact, not just the Prime Minister. When the then CEC complained that the late Mr. Naveen Chawla was spying for the Congress, he wrote an 80-page affidavit to the President. What did the President do before the 2009 general election? She appointed Naveen Chawla as the Chief Election Commissioner. So let's not go down that road. Finally, I have to say this, Navika, I applaud the letter written by 272 individuals, out of which 16 are ex-Supreme Court and High Court and Allahabad High Court judges. But I have to say something which is very specific for our country. And many people on the panel will identify this. Why is it that all our brave men and women find suddenly their vocal cords after they've retired? After they've retired, all IPS officers, Supreme Court judges, everyone says this is wrong, that is wrong, country is going here, country is going there. When they are in service, सांप सूंघ जाता है क्या? I would have preferred if sitting judges were to say, you are attacking and you are destroying the institutions by alleging all this vote chori is happening. But nobody has. But
they make those observations, Anand Ranganathan, to be fair to them, they make those observations when such cases are before them.